Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Actually, I've been getting this question a lot from my students, so I thought, if my students are facing this problem, then surely everyone running Google Ads right now must be having trouble with this as well. Now, what exactly is the problem? We'll discuss this and also find a complete solution for it. Alright, so the very first problem that everyone is facing these days is advertiser verification. Alright, whether we're running any kind of call ad or anything else, this problem is coming up a lot. The second problem everyone is facing with advertiser verification is BOV. People are facing problems with business verification. The third thing that we're seeing in almost every account these days is this. Even if someone is creating a new account, the problem they're facing is this one. Circumventing. Google is handing out circumventing issues these days like it's some kind of joke. No matter if you create a real account, run any campaign, be it CPA, flat, call, or search. Even these days, if you're running a video ad, you're still facing the circumventing problem with that too. And apart from that, the unacceptable business practice issue at least comes with a reason. But with circumventing, there's another problem cropping up. That's suspicious payments. Man, this is getting so intense that everyone is just stressed out, wondering what to do and how to handle it. So I decided that I'll do one thing. I'll make 4 videos, and in all 4 videos, I'll address this problem. First, how to do advertising verification. Second and third, how to deal with circumventing. And fourth, how to solve the problem of suspicious payments. Alright, if you're personally facing this issue a lot, if you have a business and you don't want to handle this yourself, and you want us to solve it for you, then you can message me on WhatsApp, and we will solve it for you. We'll also take care of your advertising verification. We'll also handle your business verification. If you're getting a circumventing issue in any account, we'll fix that too. If you're facing a suspicious payment issue, we'll resolve that for you as well. So alright then, today's video is entirely focused on how to solve this advertising verification problem. But before we get into solving the advertising verification problem, let me show you just how many accounts we've handled. All those accounts that needed advertising verification, we've taken care of them completely. Alright, all of our accounts are fully and completely advertising verified. Okay, alright. Break time equals 0.5s/. For example, let me show you this very account. Right now, in front of you, I'll do the advertising verification for this account inside the domain. If I go to joint advertising verification for this same account, joint. Alright, you can see my account, right? This is advertising verified. Alright, so all the accounts we have are advertising verified accounts. We get all the accounts verified. We get them verified very easily. Okay, so you don't have to face the biggest difficulty here, like, sir, I need to get accounts verified in bulk. I need to get 50 or 60 accounts verified at once. Even if you need to get 500 accounts verified in a single day, that can be done for you as well. Alright, so that's not an issue at all. All your accounts will be verified. We even get accounts with Sargent system policy issues, and I'll show you that we can reactivate those accounts as well. Any account of ours that gets suspended, we are able to reactivate it. You might be wondering, what if someone files an appeal from here? We don't file appeals from here. We have a slightly different system. Through that system, we handle this by submitting appeals. Alright, so this is a simple method, one of the ways we use. Now look, to get advertising verification done, you'll need a couple of things. Let me tell you what those things are. Look, it's pretty straightforward. If you want to get advertising verification for any account, you need to have a document of this type. Alright, you need to have some kind of document like this, and the document you use is the certificate of incorporation, okay? It should have the LLP identification number, permanent account number, all these details. I'm blurring them out for certain reasons. That's the reason I'm blurring them out, so you should have a certificate from the government of India. It should be genuine, okay. You should have a limited liability partnership, so that when you enter it in your Google Ads account for advertising verification, your account will be verified as an advertiser. So, this is something you must have. Now you might say, sir, I want to verify an account from Israel, or I want to verify a USA account, or I want to verify an account from any country. So, this makes it easy for you. You can use this, and by using it, you can verify any of your accounts. Okay, so that is the thing. if you want to verify for advertising, see, there's no hard and fast rule that if you use a certain method, your account will definitely get verified. There's nothing like that, so there's nothing you can really do about it. So basically, if we want to get advertising verification for any account, we just need to know one simple thing. We should have proper documents for advertising verification. When you have the proper documents, and you use those proper documents. Look, here you can see verify and business operation options have appeared. Alright, so by submitting this, we can easily get it verified. Apart from this, there are other accounts as well, like this account here. Okay, this account was also run by them, so this one is also mine. This thing, I have also gotten this verified. Let me show you. See here, this account of ours has also been verified. So, in this way, we can easily get any account verified. We just need one document. We use that document, and you just have to upload it. Alright, it doesn't even take an hour for your account. And what happens to your account? Your account gets verified, just like this account here. Alright. For example, if I were to click on this particular item right here, break time equals 0.5s/OK, and there happens to be some significant issue with it. We will diligently work to solve this specific issue, and after successfully resolving it completely, this particular one will also get thoroughly verified. There were indeed many more accounts as well. Break time equals 0.5s/ such as this specific account located here. Okay, this one has it too. Some accounts got cancelled. Is that what you mean? We got a lot of accounts verified. For that reason, let me show you some more accounts. Let me show you here. Like this account, just look at the account. Is our advertising verified or not? Alright, a campaign is about to be run on this one. We'll get this one reactivated for sure. Okay, look, this one is verified. Is there any other account besides this? These days, the biggest problem is that no matter what account you create, Google suspends it right away. Look here, we haven't even run any campaign on it. Without running a campaign, without doing anything, what did they do? They suspended it. Alright, so this is what's going on. But it's the same old problem. Okay, this will be solved. I hadn't even started running the campaign and what happens to it? Google just suspends it, man. So this is a problem. Man, we have to deal with this. But it's not that big of an issue. We'll get it sorted. It'll be done. The most important things. First and foremost, you absolutely have to get your advertising verification process thoroughly done. After that crucial step, if, by any chance, your account unfortunately gets suspended, when you then proceed to appeal, your account will typically get reactivated very easily and without much hassle. So, consequently, we really focus on that particular and important aspect. Here, I just upload the document. Alright. Here, we upload the document. We enter our company's name, upload the document, upload the organization address, and after uploading the registration number, we submit it, and as soon as we submit our account. Just like this is verified, what happens to our account? It gets verified, so this is the simple way to get advertising verification done. You will get your advertising verification done in this way. You just need to have the documents, gather your documents, and get your advertising verification done. Apart from this, if you are dealing with suspension, your business verification isn't happening, or you have any other problem, you can contact us regarding that. Thank you.